I welcome traders. Right now, you can see the market has been started for 3rd August 2021. Now, I am sharing in live market as well as for 30 seconds time frame and 5 seconds time frame. I have kept in the same chart right now. So you can see the market has been started and the movement has been started from 9:15 candle. Okay. So let us wait for the alerts to be triggered from the trading view for our indicator signals. Okay. So now I have included our JJP 5 seconds, 30 seconds strategy for Bank Nifty automation as well as for the 5 second chart also I have included. So whenever the signal came, I will be informing you and you can see in live market also. Okay. Hi traders. Right now you can see the market has been started and you can see the timing in my chart is right now 9:32 and there is an short side entry has been triggered in 5 seconds time frame at 9:30 candle with 5 seconds it has been triggered as well as you can see in the Algosys platform the alert has been taken in 9:30 with 16 seconds it has been executed the trade and you can see right now the short entry has been given for only 5 seconds time frame and there is no entry for 30 seconds till now. So let us wait for the entry to be giving the moves.
So right now you can see the timing in my chart is 9:57 a.m. Now I am sharing the Bank Nifty 5 seconds time frame. So you can see the last trade entry, short entry has been executed at 9:30 candle. Now the timing is 9:57 in my chart. And you can see as well as the short entry, we have fixed the stop loss as a small stop loss as 40 points only. So right now the stop loss has been hitted in this candle. So you can see 9:56 candle the stop loss has been hitted. So whenever we are trading as an automation, there is no risk. Whenever we are fixing the stop loss perfectly, it will be only hitting that stop loss. As well as if you are an option trader, it will be hitting only 20 points today. So this is the first trade entry of 5 seconds. Now it has hit at 40 points as a stop loss. So let us wait for the next trade entry with our indicator signals. So let us see in the Algosys platform right now. The alerts has been triggered perfectly in Algosys platform. You can see that trade entry has been taken, short exit has also taken. So let us wait for the next trade entry to be triggered with our indicator. And you can see here, this is the short position I have kept here. This is one of the future of trading view. You can calculate what is the stop loss and risk reward according to yourself. You can make it as a drawing like this and you can fix what is the stop loss has been kept for us and you can calculate where is the stop loss point. You can see here the 40 points it is showing the stop loss as well as the reward also 350 points it is showing here.
Hi traders. Right now you can see the timing is 10:32 right now in our chart. You can see and in according to our 30-second strategy, there is a short entry in 10:32 candle right now. So you can see in Algosys platform, the alert has been triggered for the short entry at 10:32 at 1 second and order book also you can see. So according to this signal, you can see now I have connected with our demat account, demo demat account also, and you can see that order has been taken at 10:32 with 7 seconds it has been executed. So almost only 7 seconds it has been taken for the entry. So right now you can see the short entry has been executed with the target and stop loss. You can see 350 as the target for short entry as well as the stop loss is 40 points. So let us wait for the movements of the market. So according to this, I am going to plot the short entry position here. So now you can see the stop loss and targets here. So you can see this is the big target. If you are keeping 100 points also, it is a big target. So according to our strategy, as a default, we have fixed 350 points as the target. So this is the highest target for you. Whenever you reach a target 350 points, which will be giving you a higher returns. So whenever you hit a 40 point stop loss, it is not a matter for you. So let us wait for the target 350, as well as the stop loss is a small risk 40 points. Okay, if you are an option trader, almost it will be hitting only 20 points in your option strike price. So right now we are choosing our indicator in a Bank Nifty future, because we have made this strategy according to the future only. So whenever the alerts trigger for future, it will be transferred towards the options. So you can see the strike price has been taken at 35,100 put option. So this is the ITM 200 points in the money strike price for put option. At the time it will be taking, whenever the market triggers for a short entry, at the time itself it will be triggering you the short entry according to the 200 points ITM strike price, right? So let us wait for the short side entry to be giving the targets.
Hi traders, right now I am sharing the screen at 10:54 am. So right now you can see for the short entry of the 30 seconds time frame, it has been hit at the 40 point stop loss right now, and you can see our short position we have kept for 40 points. So now the 40 points has been triggered perfectly. So you can see the timing 10:54 right now. Okay, and you can also see the strategy tester right now. I am opening the overview of July month contract of 30 seconds time frame. So it will be showing you for the past 12 trading days from 27 July till date it is showing. But we should not see the backtest like this first of all, because the August month contract does not provide for the July also, because we have from 27 we will be calculating through the July contract only, and you can see the last trade executed timing also. We should see only through the July for the July month, as well as in the August for the August month. So this is not the perfect backtest of our indicator. So right now I am sharing for only the August month. You can calculate according to that. This is the list of trades from the 27 till date it is showing. So we need to calculate from the July 27 to 30. We need to calculate through the July contract only. So now it is showing 20,736 rupees has been reached with a one lot of Bank Nifty future right now. So according to that you can calculate, but you could not calculate for the July month right now, because the 3 trading days has been stopped here. And to see the previous performance of our indicator, I suggest you to go to our previous videos, and you can see all our indicator performance till now. So just go to the previous videos till now we have posted.
Hi traders, right now you can see the timing in my system is right now 11:41. So now you can see there is a trigger for a long entry in 5 seconds time frame. So you can see it right now. The long has been triggered at this candle. That means 11:39 with 50 seconds. It has been triggered for a long entry. Okay, so this is the new alert came for 5 seconds time frame right now. So morning there is only one entry in 5 seconds, and it has hit the stop loss of 40 points. And right now for a long entry it has been taken. So let us wait for the market movements. And you can see in the 30 seconds there is one entry with before stop loss entered, and after that is the only entry which has been taken as the 30 second, as well as in 5 seconds the before only one entry has been taken, and right now it is taking another entry. So only the minimum trade entries only will be taken with our strategies, because it is filtering the trades according to the high probable entries. So whenever the trade entry triggers, your stop loss is almost 40 points. It is a less stop loss, as well as you are getting the reward as 350 as a target. So let us wait for the target as well as the stop loss. Okay. So this is the status of 11:42 a.m. today. Hi traders, now I am sharing the screen at 11:57 a.m. and right now you can see, as well as the 5 seconds has taken a long entry. and also now it has been triggered for the long entry for 30 seconds time frame at 11:56 at 30 seconds it has been taken. Okay, so this is the entry for the 30 seconds, second entry for the 30 second. Okay, and right now you can see it is in a long entry till now for taken the alert in, as well as in the Algosys platform. You can see this is the order book. It has been executed the order for call option as well as for both 11:40 for 5 seconds and 11:56 for the 30 seconds. Okay, so this is the entry for Algosys, as well as you can see in our demo DMAT account also. And you can see here it has been executed at 11:40 and 11:56. And right now you can see there is a 40-point stop loss. So it has been hit for the both 5 seconds as well as the 30 seconds time frame. So because there is a big bearish candle, so you can see here, but our stop loss is only for 40 points, so it has been hit. For this long entry, we have got two stop loss as well as in 30 seconds, in 5 seconds also. So this is the status now today at 11:59 a.m. Hi traders, right now you can see now I am sharing the Bank Nifty direct index with 5 minutes time frame with our JJB 5 minutes, 15 minutes and day chart time frame strategy. So this is our automated trading strategy. This strategy also will be given for you whenever you get the access with our indicator. You will be getting access for 5 minutes, 15 minutes day chart time frame, this strategy, as well as for 5 seconds and 30 seconds time frame strategy. So right now you can see there is a long entry today morning at 10:15. It has been taken a long entry. This long entry will be exited only when you get a short entry. So this is the specialty of this indicator. Whenever the long entry has been executed, it will be waiting till the full points and it will be taking the short entry. So if you can make it as a positional trade entry also, you can make it. There is a settings for our indicator, and for every short entries you need to fix the targets. So for every short entries alone we have given a target. So yesterday you can see there is a short entry. It has been given you 140 points as the target. So it has been reached, and the stop loss for the both as well as the long entry and short entry. This is the 100 points is the stop loss for 5 minutes time frame. Okay, this is the strategy of 5 minutes time frame. And right now you can see almost it has been taken at 34,827. It has been almost taken 26. It has been executed, and the long is still now traveling. It has almost given you a 34,914. It has reached. So almost it has been reached the 100 points till now. So let us wait for the market movements. And if you want to square up this position also, you can do it according to the Algosys platform. Whenever it triggers, you can stop the trading and you can exit your position as if you need. But according to the strategy, if you want to run also, you can run. So whenever the short entry triggers, it will be exiting this long position and it will be taking the short entry. For short entry, you need to fix the target according to in settings. So you can see the default setting for the short entry is 140 points as the target. Okay. And if you want to square up with intraday square up, you need to click this button, then only the square up will be happening for 5 minutes time frame. So this is the entry for 5 minutes time frame today. Okay, thank you traders. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.
So right now I am sharing the screen at 2:49 a.m. So you can see our strategy 5 minutes time frame has been given you 386 points till now. So right now you can see at 3:29 p.m. the intraday trade close has been happened, and our strategy has been given you 399 points for the intraday with 5 minutes time frame. So till now in our last 5 minutes time frame strategy we have got 399 points today on 3 August. So I think you all have understood about our automation trading setup till now. and today we have seen the full automation trading setup. So if you have any other doubts, WhatsApp us on 7200556708. And if you have not joined our Telegram channel, click on the description link and join our Telegram channel to see all our indicator performance. So thank you traders, thanks for watching this video. So if you have any other doubts, you can WhatsApp us, as well as you can also see the before two videos to understand about the fully automation trading setup. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. So let us meet on the next video. Thank you.